So good day sir, I'm here to explain on how I install the Ubuntu OS. First, after I create new file in my SSD, I set the name into Ubuntu and I click next because I have nothing to change. Then next, I set my hardware. Like in base memory, I only set it into 11 gig for safety and I set the processors in 6. Next is I set the disk space to only 15 gig because it is only Ubuntu OS. Then I click next and click finish. Then I wait to boot up the VirtualBox. Then I set the DVD to the Ubuntu ISO file here in my computer. Then I wait again. After that, I wait again for the automatically launch of the Ubuntu. I wait again for a couple of minutes. Then after the loading, I click the install Ubuntu, then set the languages. In this phase, I choose the minimal installation because I only need the essential components of the Ubuntu OS. Then I click continue. So in this phase, I read it first obviously while talking to my sister, then I continue and install it. I set my location to Manila. Set my basic info and password. Then I wait for a couple of minutes while smiling, scrolling in Facebook, and talking to my sister. finally, the Ubuntu is starting. I log in. I set up, and yeah, I now have the Ubuntu OS in my Windows 10 computer. So that's all, sir. Thank you.